Hey everyone, today we're making a super simple and incredibly flavorful cheesy veggie skillet with chorizo. For this recipe, you'll need 2 bell peppers, 1 onion, a good handful of mushrooms, 50 grams of canned beans, 50 grams of chorizo sausage, a little parsley and green onion. Slice the bell peppers into large squares, the onion into squares as well, and halve the mushrooms. Chop some green onions, parsley, and that clove of garlic. Dice up the cream cheese. Toss the onions, peppers, and mushrooms into the pan and let them cook for a few minutes until they start to soften. Then, add your drained and rinsed canned beans. Salt the vegetables. Once everything is nice and fried up, it's time for the chorizo. Crumble the sausage into the pan and let it cook with the veggies for a minute or two. Then, throw in the chopped green onions, parsley, and garlic. Let that cook for just a minute to release all the wonderful flavors. Then turn off the heat. Now comes the best part, the cheese, and that's it. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes every week. Thanks for watching.